Programming the Liftmaster KPW 250 and the KPW 5 keypad. This is a KPW 250. The programming is the same as a KPW 5. The KPW 5 only works with Liftmaster, the new Liftmaster frequencies. The KPW 250, this is the 5, I'm sorry. The 250 works on multi-code and Liftmaster. So to get into programming, we're going to add a code. So the master code is 888888. So it's star 888888 pound. We're going to add a code 01 pound. I'm going to add 4849 pound, 4849 pound. You have to do it twice. And then to get out, star pound. So we'll try out the new code. There it goes. Now to program the keypad to the gate opener, open the gate opener box, push the yellow learn button, come back to your keypad, enter the 4-digit code, and press the pound sign. Anyway, that's it. If you have questions or you need service, my name is Marty. That's DFW Gate Service in Dallas, Fort Worth, 817-478-5885. Leave questions and comments below and be sure to follow for more videos. Have a great day.